Welcome. So we're going to answer this question before us. It says that we need to solve 2 sine of theta plus 1 is equal to 0 for theta is between 0 and 2 pi. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rearrange this thing. So it's going to look like that. And our domain here can just be written like this as well, which, as we know, is just the same way. It means the same thing as this. I've just written it differently because I think I like this notation a little bit better, but it makes no difference at all. Okay, then the next thing we're going to have to figure out is our reference angle. So remember, the way that you figure out what your reference angle is you look at your exact value here, but you ignore the sine. So I'm just thinking sine of what angle is equal to a half. And hopefully you're able to do this just kind of off the top of your head. So just by looking at it, you can say, oh, this is going to be pi on 6. If you're not able to do that, that's fine. I would really encourage you to put some effort in to memorize that first quadrant of the unit circle. But if not, what you can do is you can utilize your special triangle. And if I'm after sine of something that gives me a half, I must be up here. And this is pi on 6 because opposite, hypotenuse, a half. The next thing that you want to do is you want to figure out which quadrants you are in. Drawing yourself a little unit circle here can be handy. I'm dealing with sine, so that's y, and it's negative a half. So it's going to be here. So there and there. That means I'm in the third and fourth quadrant. Okay, if I'm in the third and fourth quadrant, how am I going to continue this? So I need to figure out, and I'm going from 0 to 2 pi, I need this angle and that angle. Well, reference angle is pi on 6. That means that in the third quadrant, I'm going to be 7 pi on 6. And in the fourth quadrant, I'm going to be 11 pi on 6. And that is all. That's it. They are my answers. I'll put a box around it so the teacher knows what the answer is. And I'm all done. Try to do these as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you can leave out a step, feel free to, but just make sure that you're showing enough of your thinking that gets to your answer. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.